Welcome back to the Roy Works channel. In today's video, we are going to continue work on Ned, my CJ2A project. And we're going to get kind of a game plan on how we're going to continue on this project. I got him back in the garage and I want to get him ready for the summer because I thought I was going to be able to get Bruce on the road, which is my dune buggy 61, 62 chassis, Volkswagen Bug chassis dune buggy. And I don't think that's going to happen, and I'll show you why in this video. But I do want to get this completed and get this ready for the summer, because summer is fast approaching, although it doesn't really look like it today, but it's a great day to work in the garage. So let's get to work. So first off, let's see what we're going to do today. These latches were taking off when I actually did a lot of the dismantling of this Jeep. And they're not in the greatest shape, but I think they're definitely recoverable. They have, when I took them off, I actually broke the ends off of them. They were so rusted. But I've already heated up one side and to see if I could get this apart, and they actually come out relatively easy. So what I want to do today is get this mounted, and at least roughly mounted, so it will actually hold the windshield in place. Because right now I'm driving it and it flops around, it bangs. So that's going to be my goal for today, is to at least get these mounted and ready to go. With these projects, I like to at least get a little something done every weekend. But let me show you why I don't think I'll get Bruce on the road today. Well, we have a little clutter in the garage right now. I saw this on the side of the road, and I've been wanting to get an 88 key piano. I've been trying to learn the piano, and I picked this up on the side of the road, and unfortunately it's not working. But I'm gonna see if I can figure that out. But back to Bruce's engine. I took this apart and it looks really, really bad on the inside. Some of the gears are actually broken off of this, and everything is really seized up in it. So I think I'm gonna look for another engine, or at least parts to make this whole again, because I don't fully want to give up on it, but I'm not sure if it's even worth saving. I don't know if it's worth the time and money. I definitely wouldn't buy new parts for it, because that would get very costly for how bad the engine is. I'd rather start and put money into an engine that is good to begin with. This had a lot of water in it, and it seems to be all corroded on the sides. So I think I'm going to call it on this. The bottom of it around here is all broke too. So this case is definitely in bad shape. I showed on previous videos that like some of the screw holes here are broken off. I was going to use this for an excuse to TIG weld this and see if I could get good at doing that, but that would be only if I could recover most of the engine. But it's looking really bad, so I think I'm going to give up on that. But you never know. I'm going to take a little while, do some investigating, see if I can track down an engine. But worst case scenario, I might put this back together and use it as garage art, like do like a cutaway type thing. I'm not sure. I don't know how much clutter I can really afford to have in this small garage. But now let's get back to installing those latches. So before I buy any screws to replace the ones that I took out, I usually look through, keep a little stockpile of different nuts and bolts that I either find on jobs or from like packing things. I just keep a certain amount. I don't want to have too many because then I can never find anything that I need. So I kind of take a glance through. These are some bigger bolts that I have. These might work. I have my miscellaneous junk pile here. But you'd be surprised how much you end up finding when you keep bolts like that. Looks like it's like 1/4 inch. That'll work. Now I just got to see if they're long enough. So they're going to have to, yeah, they're definitely long enough. So that's good. Stuff is so expensive now. If you can keep a little stockpile of stuff on hand, it definitely saves you money. You know, you figure buying a bolt like that would be what, like $1 or so, which isn't a lot of money, but all this stuff, it does add up. Like I said, in the spring when I can open up the doors, I'm gonna re-weld this part right here and get this all whole. But I just want to get these mounted for now and get a little bit of progress done. So to make sure this comes out the same spot on the other side, I'm going to get a measurement between the two holes and transfer it to the outside and drill from the outside in. Just so if I angle the screw the wrong way, the hole could come out up here, down here. So I want them to come out the same spot. So I'm gonna just use a self-tapping screw for the top. It's not really robust. All right, well, that's gonna be it for today. I know it isn't a lot of progress done, but any little bit that you can get done is towards the good. It's definitely making it so I can drive it around a little bit more now. And my goal for this spring is to just get it on the road. I want to get the lights working, which the front lights are working, but get directionals and brake lights put in the back. But that's going to be it for today, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for hanging out.